exercise is designed to build up our voice. In my previous video, I talked about vocal warm-up and vocal exercise, but mainly on vocal warm-up, and I said that there is a huge difference between the vocal warm-up and the vocal exercise. And concerning the vocal warm-up, I said that the vocal warm-up is just designed to prepare our voice before the actual exercise. For instance, most of us that are football fans, so if we watch match, like football match, we see that before the full match starts, when the players they are on stage, we see them, jogging, stretching, and warming up their body to just prepare them for the actual match. That is just how the vocal warm-up is, to prepare our voice for the actual exercise. In today's video, I'll be going fully into what we call the vocal exercise. I'll be talking about the benefits of the vocal exercise, what the vocal exercise is designed to bring out in our voice. This is Faith Vocal, and if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, share. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and also don't forget to hit the notification button down there to get notified on any of my new videos. The vocal exercise is designed to train up our voice in a way that we will be able to control our voice, not our voice controlling us. What I mean is that the vocal exercise helps a singer train their voice to behave in the most efficient and effective way possible. Now, what are the types of vocal exercises that we have? We have the chest voice exercise, we have the mixed or the mid-range voice exercise, we have the head voice exercise, falsetto exercise, the mezzo-soprano exercise, soprano exercise, a lot, dynamics exercise, belting exercise, agility exercise. Whatever you need as a singer, we have a whole lot of them as an exercise. And what are these exercises meant to do? They are to build and to make this voice, or these voices, the voices resound and sound more better when we sing with them or when we project more. For instance, the chest voice exercise now. The chest voice exercise is designed to build up our chest voice. Chest voice is just like the foundation of every other voices. So meaning that the chest voice also, as an exercise, you should endeavor to do if you're a singer, or if you find yourself in a beat in a band or choir or any singing activity. So just make sure that you actually follow these exercises and you practice with them without relenting. If you have any question concerning the vocal exercise and the vocal warm-up, can you drop them in the comment section below, and trust me, it will be answered. See you in my next video.